Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Bumble account. You can easily delete your Bumble account from the Bumble application visiting your profile page. If you'd like to learn how, keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tip: open November application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged into Bumble, from the home screen of Bumble, tap Audit Profile icon at the bottom left corner. Now this will open up your profile. Go to the gear icon at the top left corner, and then at the bottom, you'll be able to see two options as Log Out and Delete. If you want to delete your PayPal account, you can simply tap on the Delete option. Once you delete your Bumble account, remember that it can't be restored, and in case you change your mind and you'd like to join into Bumble again, you need to create a new account. Once you tap Delete, you need to type in Delete in the text box. To confirm or to type it in, simply press Confirm from the pop-up. Once you do that, you will be able to delete your Bumble account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.